working on our 58 XL project. We went through and cut the floor out, left the car on the roller hoops. We slid the frame underneath the car. The frame's still on rollers, so you're able to move the frame around and position it in there. So this is gonna be the first time that we try putting the frame and floor up into the car. I know there'll be places that hit, but right now this is just the very, very beginning of the test fits. So, you know, you always got to move them around a little bit, and I know we'll have to cut more. So we're going to take it up right now. When you're doing it, you always make sure that it's coming up straight. Go in the back, look down. If you come on back here, you can look down the rockers that are installed and you can see the floor, and try to start making sure that you have enough room to bring the car up. It's probably going to be real close on this back panel right here. We've cut it off before, but I just wanted to see how much room we really had in there. Oop. Right there. That was just the edge of the panel popping on a stick I had in there holding it out. So right here, we're probably a good 3 inches to being all the way up. Now before I go up any further, I'm gonna go around, make sure nothing's really hitting. Everything looks like it's clearing in the back. Frame needs to come over this way just a hair. And right there, it's on the frame for the most part. If you want to come up here, Andrew, you can see right in the very front, see the core support bolts hanging down. The core support bolts are just starting to go through, so you know the body's within an inch of sitting where it needs to be. And it looks like we're going to end up trimming some more of the factory firewall back a little bit to let the tunnel come up some more for room for the 6-speed automatic that we're going to put in this vehicle. That's basically the first fit of the car, and it actually went rather well, and we really haven't cut anything since the video, so that'll give you a real good idea where you're going to end up, and we'll continue on as we go forward.